Look at the hair, it's just a mess. Now it is Easter Monday and I'm still having a day off. And let's talk about this Revolution Pro Lip Restore Lip Balm and Lip Scrub. So I've got both of this. I got it at Pink Panda because my lips is so dry. Now I wanted to just like give it a little bit of pimp, and so I thought maybe I could buy these ones for 12 euros and 99 cents. Now I tell you what, usually I'm just using Vaseline whenever I have really dry skin. But then I thought, like, let's do a little bit fancy, and it has a lip scrub. It is so fragrant with hyaluronic acid too, with jojoba oil and vitamin E. And I am using this. It's a sugar scrub, guys. So basically, all you just have to do is to scrub it onto your lips and give it a gentle scrub, and afterwards rinse it. Once rinsing it, then you may apply the lip balm. Now I love doing this routine, especially if I am at home, and it is so sweet as well. You don't have any problem tasting it. Let's remove that, and I'm just wiping it with tissue. I have the mirror in here. And then use the lip balm. This is the lip balm. So I have tried it a couple of times. It is a lip balm with hyaluronic acid 2, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. And apply it onto your lips. And instantly, every time you're applying lip balm onto your lips, actually it doesn't matter if it is these products or different product, then instantly you'll feel the softness, and also that it is moisturizing, and actually it's a nice feeling. On the other hand, these two items, guys, are for 12 euros and 99 cents, if I can remember it correctly. It'll last for a while. However, I've got here the Vaseline. This is the Vaseline that I am usually using for everything. If I have dry skin, my hand is so dry, and to be honest, there is no need for you to get these ones, but I just wanted to give it a try though, and see if it is really making a difference. And actually you could have the sugar, which is at your counter, put honey in it, or maybe yogurt or olive oil if you wish to. Scrub it onto your lips and then finish it with Vaseline, and then you will be perfect. And this is just only, I think, a little less than 2 euros, 1 euro 99 cents, if I could remember it correctly. I don't remember the pricing, but you don't really need these stuffs though for 12 euros and 99 cents. So I hope it is helpful if you are planning on buying these stuffs. If you have dry lips, don't buy something that is fragrant and tinted a little bit. This is a little bit tinted though. It doesn't seem so visible, but it is slightly tinted. Not so much, but I think if you're really suffering from dry lips, go get something natural, or maybe take advantage of the things that you have at home, like the things that which I have mentioned to you, like sugar, honey, mix it with yogurt, or some of the things that you do have at home. And for this package here, it'll last for a very, very long time. Not only that, you could also use this not only for your lips, but mainly for your entire body. I like it a lot. I've been using this since I was little, and still I'm still using it even until now, and yeah, I love it. So I do hope you do like this video, and I wanted to stay natural because I'm just staying at home, and I hope you are having a relaxing and wonderful day. Today is Easter Monday, so I'm basically taking advantage of the last day off of the week, and tomorrow I'll be working again. Until next time, guys, bye bye.